Hi, in this video I'll show you about our newest AV over IP system. So we have the setup. Basically we have two inputs, one is from this laptop and another source is this Xbox. Then over here we have a PoE now switcher and then we have a Wi-Fi router. So with this line cable up to 100 meters then to the AV over IP extenders on this side. So we have two transmitters on here. And for the transmitters, and we can see here we have an HDMI input, then we have OS232, and also a audio embedded, and also DC 12 voltage for the power supply. As this one can support the PoE function, so we don't need the extra power supply from the power adapter. And we can see all the system will just use the PoE function, including this control box. On this side, we have 4 receivers. So on the receiver, also same, we have a OS232, which we can control the displays or the other OS232 devices. And also here we have a audio embedded. Then HDMI output, for HDMI output to this 4x1 HDMI multi-viewer. So with this HDMI multi-viewer, which allows us to use one display to show four windows on one display. So here we are going to show is we are going to use this WebGUI to control the system. And so here we have logged in on the WebGUI, and we have see here we have a matrix. So we can do switching, and this is the input source, laptop, and an Xbox. We also can change the name here. After we type it, then we just press enter. Also we can just click here to switch all the outputs, Xbox to all the 4 displays. Also we can just have Xbox to the TV1 and TV3, TV4, switch back, so this is about use the WebGUI to control the switching, and also can set up like the devices, the IP address, like we're going to set laptop, we just select it. Then you will pop up like the IP address, but we recommend to use the auto IP, so we don't need to set up the host system. We can just use plug and play. Except the WebGUI also can use the iPad to control the host system. So here we have an iPad. So with this iPad, which we make sure we have the Wi-Fi connected to this Wi-Fi router. Then we can just use our application. Can see it's already connected. Same, we have a matrix mode, and then we can just do the switching, drag this one to the TV4 and TV1. So this is about the switching. You can see the switching speed is very fast. Also we can just drag out to except the matrix mode, and also we have a video all mode here. So we just click video all. You can see it's showing like one big pictures. We also can just drag it out. You will have like several layers. So it's no source, and we just drag a picture here, drag to the middle of the 4 displays. It's going to show like one big pictures, and it's same, drag to the middle of the displays. We also can just drag to these 2, drag here, so basically this one can up to like 10 layers. So we can just remove this one, go back to the previous layer, remove this one, go back to the previous one, remove this one, move this one, remove this one, TV wall, 2x2 TV wall. Okay, thank you so much if you like this video and this product.